Good morning. I'm old Sneelock. Yeah, it's kind of early. You guys usually don't see me this early in the morning because I'm always up late at night, and getting up early in the morning is just really rough when you're retired. I'm not working, I just do videos. You know, this is my job. I get up, I hang around a little bit, I drink my coffee, I take a handful of pills because I'm old. So this morning I decided that I needed to get something done, and I was kind of in a hurry. A while back you saw me sharpen a plywood saw. This thing, 140 teeth, a lot of filing, 280 strokes, 2 per tooth. A lot of stuff to do here. But it was kind of cool. I hadn't done a circular saw in about, I don't know, 20 years. Just don't use them very often. But at the same time, I do occasionally use a circular saw. But I mostly use carbide blades because I cut up crap. You know, I recycle things. I don't know what's in the boards. When you cut up a pallet, there could be anything in there. They sit on the floor, they get stones in them because the guy with the air nailer pulls the trigger and just pounds that son of a gun in. You know, you're only supposed to have 2 nails in any joint. Yeah, 2. Once you've gone past 2, you're really not adding any strength to the joint. All you're doing is destroying the wood fibers, making it so that the wood falls apart. So why do you think pallets are always broken? Yep, that idiot with the air nailer. Be that as it may, after I finished doing the plywood blade, and it was really popular. Thank you guys. I appreciate you talking to everybody about me doing a plywood blade and how to sharpen a circular saw. It's taken off. It's a tremendous video. Lots of people are watching it. And I'll put a link up here. Here? Or does it show? I think it shows up here. Anyways, UK Tony said, "That's really cool, Dave. Can you do one on carbide?" Carbide. Well, most of the time I work with steel. You know, steel you can use a file on. Hand saws, 3/4 file, you go right after them. Carbide, like this. This stuff's hard. Try and use a file on it. Takes the teeth off the file. What am I going to do? Well, I cleaned a carbide blade. And I said, okay, I'll just go ahead and get a diamond file because everybody knows that's what you need to do this, is diamond file. And since I'm working on a budget, aren't we all? I decided that I'd probably better order one because getting one here in the United States is probably going to cost a ton. Morning coffee, the only thing that keeps me going. Well, I went on eBay and I bought a diamond file. Actually, I think I bought 8 diamond files. A set of 6 and 2 others. You know, they're diamond files. They say, well, this is a fine grade diamond file. And then you get it and you realize that it's got rocks the size of Mount Everest. I did a deal where I sharpened lathe tools with a Harbor Freight diamond wheel, and my diamond wheel worked just fine. I stuck it in the wood lathe and did some fancy stuff to kind of hang it in there, and it worked great. I had no problem at all with it. Had to dress it down a little bit with a hand stone, you know, hand diamond, but for roughing in the carbide bit, it worked wonderful. I could actually cut with the thing right off the wheel. Worked better after I did it on the diamond plate. But I got a lot of people saying, that doesn't work, man. The diamond is so rough, it just breaks the carbide. And I thought, well, wait a minute, mine works. Well, it turns out mine was one of those flukes that actually does work from Harbor Freight. You know, one of those anomalies that proves the rule. Yeah, Harbor Freight sells crap. And it's not consistent. So, if you watch the video on sharpening carbide bits on a diamond wheel from Harbor Freight, I'm sorry. it may not work for you. It seems to work for like 99.9% of the people that watch it, but you know, you 0.1% guys, sucks to be you. Anyways, I ordered diamond files from eBay, and they're coming. They're coming from China. Evidently, all of this stuff on eBay comes from China. No, that's not true. There's some stuff that comes from the United States. I try and sell some stuff on there too. But, you know, I can't sell used stuff for what they sell new stuff for. Yeah, really. You can buy a diamond file for $1.50. Costs more to ship it. Oh, no it doesn't. They give it to you free. Now what's up with that? How can anybody make a diamond file for $1.50, ship it across the Pacific, and deliver it to your home and make money? Must be somebody in there is not getting paid. I'll bet it's the guy making the diamond files. He's back there in the mud hut with his little diamond file making machine, making diamond files and hoping that he can get enough done to pay the rent so that they don't take his first child or his second child or all his kids and his wife and his house and his land. You know, no, the Chinese wouldn't do that. They're good people. Never did that in the past. Why should they start now? But I digress. I ordered the files. They're going to take 6 weeks to get here. 6 weeks! Yeah, for $1.50 I expect faster service. Oh well. I know you guys are patient, and you'll watch and wait. Won't you? Got my coffee finished. Think it's time to sit down and edit this video for you guys. If you have any suggestions for a new video, questions about today's video, or any of the other videos on the channel, just drop a note in the comments. You know I read them all. If you're a new viewer, thank you very much for stopping by. And we're here every day, Monday through Friday at noon, Saturday and Sunday 9 a.m. Since you're already here, why not take a second and hit the subscribe button? Don't forget to touch the like too. That always tells me which ones you like best. Hopefully this one's a favorite. Thanks for watching.